everything.
What are you doing?
Clean out the house. Are you gonna help?
Help clean? Nope, that's boring. What would I even do? There's nothing I can do.
Well, except like I just spent the last 3 hours getting all this.
It looks like shit still.
It's a start. We really need to do something about that tree.
That tree? I'm on it. That I can take care of. I'm known for my tree cleaning up abilities. Also my one taps. I'll be right back with my tree cleaning up tools.
I shouldn't have said anything.
Amazon Prime Day. Should do it. Cord's too fucking short. God. Now I gotta buy another one. God damn it.
Reese, you need an extension cord?
No, I don't need what's an extension cord? I need a motor. Tyler's never gonna. Chainsaw's defective.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Nah.
It's okay.
It's not even cut down yet.
It's okay. Look, you got it. You got it, buddy. Nope. Calm down.
Excuse me while I take care of business. Chop down. What do you say? I say I did the hard work, the man's work. You can pack that all up and maybe get into our fireplace over there. We'll have some firewood for tonight. What? Why would I take the lights off?
I'm really.
It's a chainsaw. It can handle the lights.
I'm really sad you didn't get electrocuted.
They're Christmas lights. They don't even have electricity.
What, you dumb?
I'll see you later and go to my room.
I don't think. No.
Amazon Prime. Nope. I'm not Reese on Amazon Prime. Nope. I have a package to deliver. Package to deliver. I thought it was a tree.
Not even close to a tree. Stop drinking all of my syrup! He goes through a bottle a day.
I'm gonna cut!
No!
I'm gonna cut
Don't
him!
cut! Stop! Cut!
I'm gonna cut him in half!
Do not cut the... Look! Really? Do not cut, bud!
What? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, is it what? nuts?
Yeah, no,
Oh,
it's not right. All right,
Yeah.
we're good.
You can cut, Johnny. We're gonna eat some lunch.
Where are we going today?
I don't know. Jack McDaniels?
That's not. Yeah.
God damn it! Stupid electric chainsaw! That's my chainsaw, Tyler! You never see me steal your chainsaw!
I'm locking it in Joey's room.
Joey's room? Well, Joey will just give it to me then. I'll finish cooking my popcorn. What are you looking at? You just follow me around with a camera? Huh? Huh? What, am I doing something weird? Want some popcorn? Can you clean this up? I'm gonna go out. I have a date. So I'm gonna go on my date. I always gotta do all the work around here. Cleaning up everything after you. After you make a mess. What the fuck? Why is the tree? What kind of tree is this?
Fake one.
I didn't even cut it there.
No, you didn't cut it at all.
I didn't cut it at all.
You chopped some of the little limbs off, but you didn't.
I went at it hard with the chainsaw, Tyler.
Yeah, I mean, on the outside.
Don't judge a tree by its cover. Anyways, this is gonna make for some good firewood, I think.
Are you stupid?
Can you get this stupid? Why is this here? Who bought this? If you try and blame this on me, too.
Well, I'm not blaming it on Johnny.
How do you use a fireplace? That should just catch on fire, right? Let's go about this more scientifically. Did you sabotage this tree? Okay. Something wrong with this tree, and it wasn't wrong before.
I believe the term is user error.
I'll show you user error. Is my popcorn done yet? Oh, that's what I want. I can use that. You might want to leave for this part. I know you're not the biggest fan of fire. You have flint and steel?
Nope.
What about like just a block of wood and a stick?
No.
This should work.
Seems
How
a
long
bit.
does this normally take?
You're close, buddy.
I think my hands are starting to blister.
Let's be honest, your hands see more action than that on a daily basis.
Is this disrespectful?
A little bit.
I'm just using it because the United States is lit as fuck, boy. Are you looking for the lighter?
Yeah, I'm getting that. Get it for you.
Alright. Hey! Hey! You motherfucker!
Hurry up the stairs. Hurry up the stairs. Come on, you're so fast.
Come on.
Come on, buddy. Joey can deal with it when he gets back.
Joey,
Yeah,
back.
he's gone.
Isn't that Joey right there?
No, that's Johnny.
Johnny doesn't hold a camera.
Well, Joey's not here, so.
Joey's not.
He's been gone for 3 days. How did you not?
One Mexican, 2 Mexicans, 1 white guy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hopefully I've lost enough weight by now I can hide behind this. Okay, I think they noticed me. I'm gonna try to escape from the window. I've never jumped from 2 stories before, but I don't think it's gonna hurt that bad. I'm outnumbered. There's a force field here. Did you put your voodoo Mexican magic on this?
No. It's a screen. It's a broken screen.
Oh, you got any rope? Something? I could just move this to there.
The ladder?
Maybe Joey's up there.
I don't think so.
You're still here?
Yeah. Wait, did you do one of those dumb transition slides where it said sometime later, but it only spent about 3 minutes?
I thought you guys would be asleep by now. I was just going to the shooting range. Did you know that the mariachi band's in town? Mariachi band?
Mariachi?
Yeah, they're at the casino.
There's no casino nearby.
Did I say casino? I'm at Subway.
Subway's still not really.
The train station. The one that goes underground.
Yeah, hang on.
You should probably go. It's at least, you gotta be gone at least 5 minutes.
I just gotta get spruced up.
Is that Lemon Pledge?
The mariachi? Hold on.
Yeah, the mariachi band.
Yeah, that's that one that was. Yeah, okay.
Joey, please tell me you're not gone! God damn it! He wasn't lying. Come on. Fuck! Got it. We're in. That took only about 2 seconds. Where's my chainsaws? Where? What?
You should really look in other places before you waste your time doing.
You said you put them in Joey's room. What are you doing? No! Ah! Fuck! Wow, god damn it, guys! I really wanted to go to mariachi night too.
There's
Damn
no
it.
mariachi night here.
I'll just sleep here until Joey gets back. Oh, I might say yeah.
Don't you feel silly?
How long's it been? Like 3 days?
Yep.
That's what the transition slide said. It locks this side. But when you close it, it's... Oh fuck! God damn it! Not again! Oh bye.
This is really cathartic.
I haven't seen light in like a month.
I mean, there's light coming in from the
I would
windows.
have thought Joey would be home by now.
He'll be home in like an hour.
This seems like a time machine. It's already been an hour. Where's Joey? Been an hour yet?
No. No.
You're a bluff. That's true. Come on. Really?
Yeah.
I'm looking at my watch right now. It's been an hour.
You don't have to watch.
Okay, it says right here it's been an hour.
Do you think this is the dumbest way we've found to fill time?
It's been 10 minutes yet, though, seriously.
Not even.
Tell her this isn't working.
That's the other one.
The other, oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, dude, it's on.
I meant the vacuum, but
You think I'm rich?
it's right over there.
Yeah. You know how much the electricity that cost to run a vacuum?
You left the Christmas tree on for 5
For
months.
Christmas spirit! There's no replacement. And then you made me get rid of it. All because people are commenting, why is there still a tree up in March and January?
Somebody's got to come up with the video ideas.